Water dripping from the cowl directly onto the alternator connector is the reason your 2021 to 2026 F-150 battery keeps dying after a heavy rain. We are going to fix this by sealing the factory connector and redirecting the water runoff from the windshield. Ford designed the current generation F-150 with a slight gap near the passenger side windshield cowl. When it rains heavily, water bypasses the weather stripping and drops straight down onto the alternator. The main electrical connector on the top of the alternator sits in a vulnerable position, allowing water to pool inside the terminal block. This creates a parasitic draw that drains your battery completely dead overnight. To verify this is happening to your truck, open the hood and locate the alternator on the front passenger side of the engine. Inspect the main wire harness plugging into the top of the unit. If you see moisture, green corrosion, or water stains around the plastic housing, you have found the source of your parasitic drain. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any of these components to prevent a short circuit. Unplug the alternator connector and dry it out using compressed air and electrical contact cleaner. Once the pins are completely dry, pack the inside of the female connector heavily with dielectric grease. This grease acts as a waterproof barrier, preventing any future moisture from bridging the pins and causing a voltage leak. Snap the connector back into place and wipe away the excess. To stop the water from hitting the area altogether, you must modify the cowl drip path. Apply a thick bead of black automotive silicone along the seam where the two plastic cowl panels meet above the passenger side firewall. You can also secure a small piece of rubber shielding directly above the alternator to act as an umbrella. Reconnect your battery, and your truck will start normally every morning.